Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I'm rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, before I jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this is a collab video. Okay, we are doing 2 videos on 2 of the latest wigs that have dropped by Bobbi Boss. Okay, so make sure you guys go ahead and check out both the videos. I'll be sure to have them linked in the description box below, and of course her channel as well. And I am collabing with Halfbakedhairreviews, so definitely make sure you guys check her out. She has a wide variety of wigs that she always come through with those reviews for us. Okay, and she even styles the units and everything. Like, I love watching her videos, and I'm sure you guys will too, so definitely go ahead and check her out. And like I said, I'll have all her information in the description box below. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have a unit by Bobbi Boss. It is the Brianne unit. So here's how she looks. So she has a beautiful gorgeous curl pattern. Here's her cap construction. She is average head friendly, and I do fall on the larger head side. She does come with 2 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. And this unit also does feature baby hairs. So here they are, and the parting space is pretty decent in my personal opinion as well. So here's how it looks right onto my head. And as far as length, it does go nearly like to my butt, and I am 5'2", and I do have a shorter neck in case you want to use that for reference. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I did experience some shedding and tangling. However, it wasn't anything that was too drastic, but because you expect to get tangling, this is a longer synthetic unit, so obviously you are going to catch some snags here and there, but it wasn't anything that I could not handle or get rid of. So here's the parting area and how it just looks. So I don't know, girl, we doing a video, relax. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add some powder to the parting space, and just to make it look a little bit better. And this is pretty much how it turned out. And of course, I'm gonna finish out with my closing thoughts, but I think she came out really cute. Let me know what you think, comment down below. So now that I've shared all the details and the specs with you guys, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about this unit. So let's just jump right in. Okay honey, so we have the brand new Bobbi Boss MLF433 Brianne in the color number 1, or the color number 1B, excuse me, I'm messing up. But yeah, the color number 1B. So I did want to talk about some of the extra things that they feature on this cap, because it's definitely stuff that I have not seen. So I wanted to go ahead and talk about it, or not necessarily that I haven't seen, because I think Zuri had a unit with like antibacterial and things, but they have, you know, just a couple specs, and I just want to let you guys know about them. So this is the MetaFresh Safe and Clean Cap, and it says it blocks UV rays. I've never had a wig that block UV rays, which is awesome. Like, kudos to Bobbi Boss for that. And then it also says that it is antibacterial and that the wig also has great ventilation. Okay, so I am here for it. Okay, like, we need all the protection we can get nowadays. But yeah, so let's get right into the style. I just wanted to make sure that I told you guys those details in case you guys missed it when I like showed the card in the beginning. So let's go ahead and jump right into the style. So I really do like this style, number 1, because it's super beginner friendly. It's not like a full frontal or anything, so you don't have to worry about like if you're not good or experienced with them. Girl, this is for you. This is for the beginners. This is really for everybody, because I love this too. So it does come with a 5-inch deep part, as you guys can see, and the parting space looks absolutely gorgeous, honey. Okay, so all I did was go in and add some powder, and that was it, and it looks gorgeous. It also features baby hairs, but I did just tuck those behind, and I did just go ahead and do my own baby hairs, but I just tucked those behind because I didn't feel like, you know, doing on any of that today. But yeah, so I really love the way the cap is construction and this parting space. I am really living for this 5-inch parting space. Like, it looks really good, so I really do like that. Now let's go ahead and get into the style. So as far as the style, I really like it. Now you could always count on Bobbi Boss to give you that boss fabulous curl unit, okay? And I feel like this is like one of their signature units, but with a new cap construction, of course. So if you're wondering like if they have a bunch of units like that, do I need this one? Yes, because they have new and improved cap construction. So yeah. So anyways, we have our beautiful curls and they are moving, okay? They are bouncing, stiff wear, not here. So, and then they also have the long layers, which I like. I don't like really choppy layers. Well, Bobbi Boss get the layers right though. I've never had a complaint with their layers, but they have the long layers in this one, so I don't know if you guys can see. So it's like a layer here, and then it just goes into really beautiful long layers. For me, I feel like long layers compliment me, so I'm glad that they chose to go with that. And the curls are really beautiful, and I love how effortless they look. Like, you don't look like you were trying too hard for your look, but you look pulled together and fabulous, okay? So I really do like that. And yeah, I really love the fact that I didn't have to go in and lay down the parting. I did get my hot comb ready, but I didn't even need it, but you know, I was like, just in case. But I didn't need it. So overall, I really do like this unit, but I do have a few cons for the unit, okay? And this is not necessarily something that I would count as a con because I expected it. This unit does have a bit of shedding and tangling, but however, I did expect that because this is a fiber unit and it is a long synthetics, you know, special synthetic fiber unit. So I was expecting that, but once you run your fingers through or comb through with your wide tooth comb or even brush it out, and if you add some wig control spray, which I didn't do today, I feel like it would tame the fibers and help with that. So I definitely wouldn't say to count her out because she does shed and tangle, but I did want to let you guys know that that's something that did happen. So overall, I do really like this unit. I would definitely recommend her. She is super cute, very beginner friendly. Her cap construction is very well. And yeah, I really like her. I would definitely recommend her. If you guys are interested, I'll definitely have a link in the description box below. And before I go and close out the video, make sure you guys go and check out my girl's video. I will definitely have her link in the description box below because this is a collab video. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. I found it very helpful, easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Are you going to try this one? Did you purchase her already? Just let me know the tea. I definitely want to know. I'm nosy. I want to know what you're going to do. Are you going to get this one or not? And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.